Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech Dude. Today I will explain the today topic is the can a ChatGPT kills the Google? It is true or one. Hi friends, the today topic is the ChatGPT kills the search engine of Google. Yes or no? Now I will explain the first. Will ChatGPT replace the Google? Now I will explain the what are the features, what are the menaces. You can log in ChatGPT. I asked question the how to improve my public speaking skills. It is given some instructions. You observe this. The same question you can ask the Google. What are they preparing? You can observe the same question. I will copy and ask this. What are the both are difference of this? Same question I ask this Google. How to improve public speaking skills? The so many tabs are open. Some videos also open. You can select how to prepare public speaking and the suggestions are there. Some tips are so there. That is the different of this ChatGPT. I asked the similar question. This is the ChatGPT prepare the total steps. First step and preparation your content truly and practice out loud. Master your body language and voice. Build your confidence, manage and next engage with your audience. This is the 5 tips are providing. 5 tips are the internally they give 4 or 5 tips each step. You observe this each step 4 or 5 suggestions is given. It is totally this. This is the main difference of the ChatGPT. I ask another question. Is ChatGPT. I asked how to cook chicken. That is the different scenario. This is the cooking. The first you observe what are the difference of this ChatGPT and Google. It is providing total the pan frying and baking all the method also and boiling method soup or salad the recipe. What are the ingredients are required and over baked and chicken. There are given step by step. You observe this. Same question I ask this Google. What they is given to the observe. I ask same question to the Google search engine. What are they given suggestions? I will check. How to cook chicken breast or pan is the given. Another questions is providing which is the best cooking chicken. The some videos are 3 ways to cooking ultimate chicken. If you selected and this you can select it. This so many topics are available. You can the utilize and search which is the best. You can take your own decision. This ChatGPT is given to the pan fried and baking and boiling soup and salad and recipe methods and over baking and chicken also. What are the temperature? It is totally preparation is given. How to cook. It is the most different of the Google and ChatGPT. The ChatGPT entering that this is the Google's some billions of dollars loss toward the year. The ChatGPT is get the less data is the coming recently 3 to 3 years, and Google is the much more data, servers are data, large use data is there. That's why it is cannot beat in ChatGPT in Google search engine. In future it is possible or not, I don't know. Please watch my technology videos and please like and please share. Thanking you once again. You were so many were asking this question. Why I will make this video. This is a big question we are asking today. Can a ChatGPT really kills the Google? In this video, we are diving deep into both technologies, comparing their strength, weaknesses, what you means, future searching. It ChatGPT Google kills everyone's talking about. Let us find out. The Google's ChatGPT interface is the ChatGPT. Google have fundamental different roots. Google is the search giant go-to for the finding information online, while ChatGPT developer OpenAI is the conversational AI designing to generate human-like a text. But now technology allows people to wonder to could ChatGPT viewable alteration Google the of which were Google search wise ChatGPT AI models both are the how Google search into ChatGPT works. It is Google search engine use the Google search engine use the logarithm and crawls billions of websites indexing information so that easy to fit. Google ranks result based relevance, authority, and the popularity. On other hand, the GPT's language modules that generating response based on the pattern learned from hug date there directly indirectly internet. The pros Google search accuracy index and real time relevance. The pros ChatGPT conversational creative personalized response. The demonstrate quick Google search recent news. The Google has to advanced of the vast regular updates index information. It is providing accurate, current, and creditable answers, often pulling from top-rated sources. This is something is the ChatGPT cannot do it. Fact is does not search the web real time. This is the text overall fact checking recent news and source Google's stronghold. This ChatGPT answer questions and conversion style. The ChatGPT shines scenario where users want to explain stories or advise ChatGPT conversion natural, making it ideas for notch queries. Need to context or creativity is one biggest reason some people see ChatGPT as the future of search. The interactive, personalized, creative response ChatGPT strength. The split screen showing limitation of ChatGPT. It is descriptive strength of ChatGPT as notable limitation can provide real time information, does not always pull the current source and occasionally generate always pull from the current source and occasionally generate factually inaccurate or misaligned response. The limitations of no real-time data, no web crawling, potential misinformation. This Google Shift AI, Google Shift AI, Google Broad, and SG screenshot Google Broad and search generations experience. VoiceOver Google is not standing still with tool like Google Broad and the search generation experience. Google is interactive AI into search to create more conversational personalized search result. Google's approach combination the best both worlds or else it is expense index and the AI power interface people want. Google AI interactive broad and SG search generation experience. The feedback on both platforms. This what usually really want to cover differences. What users really wanted the core differences, the voiceover, for straightforward query, quick answer. Google is a clear choice, but for the advanced brainstorming and in-depth conversion users for ChatGPT, this difference shows there is a rooms for both. What could ChatGPT ultimate replace Google? Users preference quick fact advice, in-depth advice. The feature could ChatGPT and Google coexisting. The infographic on potential future both technologies. The future may not be about the platform killing the other, but the coexecutive lives leverage each their unique strength. Google might dominate real-time and factual search, while ChatGPT could become a core for conversion, create, and advice. This is conclusion of this summary of this topic. So can ChatGPT really kills Google? Not like anytime soon, but the competition of sparkling incredible advance in the AI and search technologies may be see future ChatGPT and Google coexisting, each carving out the ways you were our digital lives and maybe best outcome for all us. This please subscribe my Tech Duty channel. Please comment. Please share. Don't forget subscribe this channel. Thanking you once again. Your Tech Duty.